Okay, so let's learn chapter 5, states of matter. Okay, so the first subtopic is 5.1 gas. Okay, so learning outcome yang kita akan belajar dalam video ni je lah. Okay, dalam video ni saya akan fokus on this one. You should be able to explain qualitatively the basic assumption of kinetic molecular theory of gases for an ideal gas. So maksudnya kalau saya tanya apa kinetic molecular theory untuk gas, so kamu kena boleh explain lah apa kinetic molecular theory dia untuk ideal gas. And then define gas law ni, Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro's law. Lepas tu dah tahu dah semua definition, sketch and interpret graph of Boyle's law and Charles law. Okay, untuk Boyle's law dengan Charles law ada graph, kena faham graph tu macam mana dan kena boleh sketch graph tu. Okay, and then kita akan buat calculation sikit, perform calculation involving gas law and ideal gas equation. Tapi anything about ideal gas dengan combined gas law saya tak discuss lagi dalam video ni, sebab kalau saya discuss it will be too long. Okay, so dalam video yang seterusnya akan discuss ideal gas equation. Alright, so seperti mana title kita, states of matter, so kita akan ada belajar about solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so if the solid turns to liquid, that means the process is called melting. Tapi kalau from liquid to solid, that means the process is freezing. Liquid to gas adalah boiling, tapi kalau gas to liquid adalah condensing. Okay, and kalaulah kamu ada your solid tu terus pergi gas without melalui phase liquid, itu kita panggil sublimation. Okay, and from gas directly from solid itu adalah deposition. Okay, alright, so next kita move to our first learning outcome, iaitu you should be able to explain qualitatively the basic assumption of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Okay, so in this chapter, kalau saya sebut ideal gas tu, kamu kena faham lah apa maksud ideal gas. Ideal gas adalah gas that obey the ideal gas law. Okay, and ideal gas law adalah PV equal to nRT. So this is ideal gas law. And then kinetic molecular theory of gases is used to explain the observed behavior of ideal gas. Kinetic molecular theory ni akan explain apa behavior of these ideal gases. Okay, and as you can see, ada 7 kinetic molecular theory of gases. So, kita tengok one by one. Okay, so the first one adalah all gases are made up of large number of minute particle called molecule. Okay, ini kita semua tahulah dalam gas. Okay, gas sebenarnya ada banyak partikel yang kecil-kecil yang kita panggil molecule. Okay, so gas is made up of particle yang banyak dan saiz dia kecil. So, kita panggil dia molecule. That is our first kinetic molecular theory of gas. Senang je. Okay, so the second kinetic molecular theory of gas is large distance separate the molecule so that the actual volume of the molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume of the gas. Okay, so negligible ni maksud dia unimportant or insignificant. Okay, so dekat sini apa yang dia nak maksudkan adalah dia kata volume of gas molecule tu macam diabaikan pun boleh jugalah. Okay, dia tak penting. So, diabaikan. So, kiranya dia ambil volume of container. Okay, so dia macam ni. So, dalam kinetic molecular theory of gases, so this molecule dia anggap jauh lah duduk antara satu sama lain. And the size also very small. Okay, so bila keadaan yang macam tu, end up kinetic molecular theory of gas abaikan this volume of molecule ni. Tapi dia anggap volume of molecule tu sama macam volume of container. Okay, so in kinetic molecular theory of gases, volume of gas molecule equal to volume of container. That is the point for number 2. Okay, and then the next one, the molecule are in constant rapid motion in all direction, colliding with one another and also with the wall of the container. Okay, so this gas molecule, dia tak duduk setempat lah. Okay, dah nama pun gas. Okay, gas dia boleh bergerak bebas. Okay, so this gas molecule, dia ada dua jenis pergerakan lah. Either dia akan bergerak collide with another gas molecule or dia punya pergerakan tu akan collide with wall of this container. Okay, so bila dua possibility pergerakan dia, sama ada dia langgar kawan dia ataupun dia langgar dinding. Okay. Then number 4, the molecular collision are perfectly elastic with no loss of energy and only redistribution of energy during collision. Okay, so maksudnya bila berlaku pelanggaran ni, collision between gas molecule and another gas molecule or gas molecule with wall of the container, dia tak hilang energy. Okay, no energy is lost. So sebab tu dia masukkan molecular collision tu is perfectly elastic. Kiranya dia punya energy gas molecule ni tak hilang. Okay, and then pergerakan dia akan continuous lah disebabkan dia punya collision adalah perfectly elastic with no loss of energy. Okay, and then next one, there are no attractive or repulsive forces between molecule. Okay, so antara this molecule and this molecule, this molecule and this molecule, dia tak ada attractive forces langsung. Itu adalah kinetic molecular theory of gases for ideal gas lah. Okay, so tak ada attractive forces, okay, antara gas molecule. And then the pressure exerted by the gas is due to collision between its molecule and the wall of the container per unit area. Okay, so bila ada collision between gas molecule and another gas molecule or collision between gas molecule and wall of container, collision ni akan exert pressure. That means akan menghasilkan pressure. Okay, so pressure yang terhasil dia kira ni lah force per unit area, F over A. Okay, pressure equal to F over A kan dalam fizik. Okay, and then next one adalah the average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to the temperature of gas. Okay, ini boleh make sense lah. Zaman sekolah pun kita belajar bila temperature tinggi. Okay, so let's say kita heatkan this molecule here, kita panaskan bekas ni, and then this molecule here dia akan ada kinetic energy yang lebih tinggi lah sebab dia ada heat energy ni and then kinetic energy dia tinggi. So bila kinetic energy tinggi, kinetic energy ni adalah energy yang bergerak, yang dia bergerak tu. Okay, so maksudnya pergerakan molekul ni akan makin laju. Okay, dia akan makin laju disebabkan temperature dia makin tinggi. Okay, lagi banyak lagi tinggi temperature of the gas molecule, lagi kuat pergerakan dia, lagi tinggi kinetic energy. Okay, so as the temperature increase, the average kinetic energy increases. Okay, so itu adalah kinetic molecular theory of gas yang digunakan untuk explain behavior of ideal gas. So kena faham benda-benda ni.